Here's how to clean any hat in 3 simple steps while removing stains and odors. I will also share a big no-no when it comes to hat cleaning to avoid damage. Step number 1, be sure to pre-treat. Just 4 simple things that I like to use: a good pair of gloves, some vinegar, Dawn Power Wash, and a cleaning brush. I like this angled one. Dawn Power Wash is an excellent degreaser. In fact, it's a #1 bestseller, and nothing in this video is sponsored. I'm just a cleaning obsessed mom with 4 kids who deals with a lot of dirty things. The vinegar is going to help break down the odor-causing bacteria, the sweat, and the stains. Spray your hat generously with the vinegar and with the Dawn Power Wash, especially the inside and brim of the hat where makeup and a lot of sweat likes to accumulate. Now fill a bucket with warm water and spray a generous amount of that Dawn Power Wash. Submerge your hats and use a bowl if needed. The hats tend to float to the top of the bucket. Let them sit for about 10 minutes to allow the product to really work. Step number 2, hand wash with warm water. This is where you want to avoid the washing machine and the dishwasher. A washing machine can change the shape of your hats, and a dishwasher can get too hot, causing damage and fading. If you notice any remaining stains on your hats, go ahead and give those hats one last scrub and rinse as needed. Before we get to the last important step, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share hot deals and #1 bestsellers. Also, there is a free newsletter linked in the description box below. I'll also pin it in the comments section, along with any products that I used here today. Step number 3, dry your hats. You can also use the towel to wring out any excess moisture in the hat. Be gentle in this process. Now, here's a bonus tip for faster drying. Some people recommend that you put your hats in the sun. I advise against it because it can fade your precious hats. Trust me, I've learned this the hard way. If you were to just air dry your hat, it's probably going to take all day to dry. Here's a simple trick. Grab a fan. I actually timed this process, and it took approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour to completely dry the hats. You can see within 45 minutes the front of the hat is completely dry, whereas the back of the hat is still quite wet where the fan did not reach. My goal is to help you clean smarter rather than harder, and you can see here the makeup stains are 100% removed on my white hat. And it smells great too. Anything I talk about here today is linked in the description box below and pinned in the comments section, or use the QR code on screen if you're watching from your TV or your iPad. Click the video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.